Get up, up, up. Oh, no, sorry, that was not going to cut the mustard. I know, that was really mean, but it's not going to. No, ma'am. Here, do you want a bite? You can have a bite, but I'm not giving you the whole thing. She's like, I don't want it then.
Oh, I got the pit on camera.
You can bribe her with it when she's older. Oh, she's like, that's pretty good. I think I want it.
Like, ooh, maybe I will get up there.
That was funny, girl. Get it. It's way up here.
Because that might be worth it. I don't know.
I know. Come on. Remember, you can have a bite. Oh, you little thing's hot. Okay.
If you could probably hand it to her right now, just probably throw it.
Oh, really? Oh, look at that. Come up here and get it. It feels really like mean, doesn't it? I know. I'm just making you so mad. Oh, God, give her love. I'm so sorry. It makes you so mad. I know it does. Makes you very, very mad.